at NYU, no one cares if your forefathers made pumpkin pie at Plymouth. They only care if they made profits at Paramount.
Paramount. Paramount.
If they made profits at Paramount. Today, I'll secure the alliance. Care to tag along?
Oh, I'd love to, but a high-ranking diplomat has asked.
Diplomat. Diplomat.
Love to, but a high-ranking diplomat has asked.
What? The Winston was not so bad.
Okay, you may have enjoyed the show, but let's face it, Vanessa is very vocal. Couldn't Vanessa...
Vocal. Vocal.
But let's face it, Vanessa is very vocal. Couldn't Vanessa...
Cabaret? I love cabaret. And fairy tales. Princesses. Queens.
Sorry, Blair, it's my...
Princess. Princess.
Princesses. Queens.
Sorry, Blair, it's my...
Bitches of Eastwick is a terrible idea. It's like Heathers, but with witches.
Witch. Witch.
Heathers, but with witches.
I should say he was going to the planetarium.
I'm entertaining a hotel guest, son of an ambassador. He's waiting in the foyer.
Foyer. Foyer.
He's waiting in the foyer.
How do I win over shallow, superficial actors?
Calling them shallow and superficial didn't work?
Superficial. Superficial.
Calling them shallow and superficial didn't work? Well, you're in luck. I was invited. I guess being a movie star has a certain cachet.
Cash. Cash.
I guess being a movie star has a certain cachet. Well, you're in luck. I was invited. I guess being a movie star has a certain cachet.
I may have read that at the dentist.
Dentist. Dentist.
I may have read that at the dentist.
Yeah, I barely tasted them. We left when I was 4 so my father could work on the Oslo Accord.
He worked on the Oslo Accord? That sounds major.
Accord. Accord.
He worked on the Oslo Accord? That sounds major. Hi. They're gonna die of jealousy.
Jealousy. Jealousy.
They're gonna die of jealousy.
You have 8 hours to write and rehearse your...
Rehearse. Rehearse.
You have 8 hours to write and rehearse your...
Inspired by Miss Gaga's lyrics, I've written a satirical commentary about fame, glamour, and our...
Fame. Fame.
About fame, glamour, and our... I've written a satirical commentary about fame, glamour, and our society's obsession with the shiny new thing.
Obsession. Obsession.
Our society's obsession with the shiny new thing.
Humphrey, I'm surprised. This isn't horrible.
You play the aging queen, fading but talented rock star who's...
Aging. Aging.
You play the aging queen, fading but talented rock star who's... You play the aging queen, fading but talented rock star who's earned her success. Olivia, Snow White, a young up-and-comer is trying to steal...
Comer. Comer.
Olivia, Snow White, a young up-and-comer is trying to steal... Olivia, Snow White, a young up-and-comer is trying to steal the queen's thunder by being outrageous and sexy.
I like it.
Yeah.
Outrageous. Outrageous.
By being outrageous and sexy.
I like it.
Yeah. Amalia, Sophie, twins. You're the struggling dwarf boy band.
Dwarf. Dwarf.
You're the struggling dwarf boy band.
Snow, have this apple martini before your VMA performance tonight. I promise it's not poisoned.
Poison. Poison.
I promise it's not poisoned.
Well, this moment really is about the dwarves, right, Dan?
Well, I mean, it's called Snow White, so technically it's...
Technically. Technically.
It's called Snow White, style deck and glaze.
Which order? Exactly. You're gonna have to tech out by yourself.
Tech, tech,
Exactly. You're gonna have to tech out by yourself. And girls to blackmail.
Uh-oh, playwright. Better whip out your pen. Looks...
playwright, playwright,
Oh, playwright. Better whip out your pen. Looks...
Got my own experience in the boat pond and taking you home. You and your father have until noon to collect your luggage. After that, it's in.
luggage, luggage,
Have until noon to collect your luggage. After that, it's in.
Well, now that I've added a disco electro pop beat to Snow White's love ballad and
ballad, ballad,
to Snow White's love ballad and
Go stick.
That's her cue. Where the hell is she?
I have
cue, cue,
That's her cue. Where the hell is she?
platinum record on the wall.
platinum, platinum,
Platinum record on the wall.
Before, but Lady Gaga certainly has. Back when she was still a Tish, they used to play cards together. Who do you think Poker Face is about?
poker, poker,
Together, who do you think Poker Face is about? Still a Tish, they used to play cards together. Who do you think Poker Face is about?
That's why she's letting us see her dress rehearsal.
rehearsal, rehearsal,
That's why she's letting us see her dress rehearsal.
We saw each other naked and there's no going back. But we're friends. So, Olivia, I apologize for how I acted during rehearsal.
howl, howl,
So, Olivia, I apologize for how I acted during rehearsal.
Please, it takes one to know one. I saw that look in your eye the very first day you came on my radar.
radar, radar,
First day you came on my radar.
Sometimes it's after the curtains close that the real reckonings come.
reckon, reckon,
That the real reckonings come.